In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a lookup field column in SharePoint lists. Microsoft SharePoint 2026 tutorial. A lookup column lets you reference data from another SharePoint list so you can maintain a single source of truth and avoid retyping the same values over and over. Before we start, make sure the list you want to pull data from already exists and that you have permission to read it. Begin by opening SharePoint in your browser. From the SharePoint start page, head to My Site and choose the site where you want this new list to live. It helps to pick a site that your team already uses so everyone sees consistent data. Now create the list that will use the lookup, select New, then choose List. You can start with a blank list for full control, or pick a template if one matches your scenario. Templates can save time by adding common columns, but a blank list is perfect if you want something clean and simple. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, then select Create. With your list open, add the lookup column. Choose Add Column and select Lookup. If prompted, click Next to move into the lookup setup. Start by entering a friendly name for the column. This is what users will see when adding or editing items. Next, tell SharePoint where to pull the data from. Under Get Information From, pick the source list that already contains the values you want. This could be something like a master list of clients, projects, or locations. Then decide exactly which field from that source should appear in your current list by choosing it under in this column. Common choices include the title field or a unique code, depending on what will be most recognizable to your users. You can optionally allow multiple values if you want people to select more than one item from the source list. Keep in mind that multiple selections are great for flexibility, but they can make filtering and reporting more complex. You can also choose to display additional columns from the source list, which is handy when you want extra context, like showing a code alongside a name without duplicating data. When everything looks right, select Save. Your new lookup column is ready to use. From now on, when someone adds an item to this list, they'll pick from the authoritative values in the source list. The lookup respects permissions, so users only see items they're allowed to view, and you can always revisit the column settings later to fine-tune the source or display fields as your needs evolve.